Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm going to my friend's wedding today. I want a new hairstyle.
Okay, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you want a new style?
Yes, please. What do you think is a good style for me?
I think some bangs and wavy hair would look nice on you.
Oh, that sounds great. I trust you.
Perfect. First, we will wash your hair.
Hello, Mark, is that you?
Jenny, wow, long time no see.
Yes, what are you doing here?
I am going to work. Do you still live in Queens?
Yes, the same place. And you?
I moved to Brooklyn last year. My home is near my office now.
Oh, that's great. Brooklyn is very nice.
Yes, I like it. My new job is good.
I am happy for you. We should meet and talk soon.
Yes, good idea. We can get a coffee. Or we can have brunch on the weekend.
Oh, brunch sounds great. Hello, welcome to our bookshop. Can I help you?
Hello. Is this a new shop?
Yes, it is. We are new. We have a sale.
Good. I want a cooking book for my mom. And I want a novel for me.
Okay, this way, please. Here are the cooking books.
Wow, great. I will take it for my mom. Where are the novels?
This way. Here are the novels.
Wow, many books.
Yes, many good books here.
Oh, I want this book.
I am reading that book too. It's good.
Do you have The Great Gatsby?
Yes, I think so. Let me look. Yes, here you are.
Great. I will take this book too.
We have a sale. If you buy 5 books, you get 20% off.
Oh, good. I will look for more books.
Okay, ask me if you need help.
Thank you.
Ava, dinner is ready.
I'm not hungry.
What's wrong? Are you sick?
No, I am just sad.
Why are you sad?
I miss my best friend Olivia.
Oh, yes. She is in the UK now with her family.
Yes, we didn't talk for a week.
Ava, maybe she is just very busy with her new home.
But we talked every day before.
Things are different now. Just give her some time and it'll be fine.
Okay, maybe, but I am still not hungry.
You are really sad about this.
Please don't talk about my ex-boyfriend.
Okay, sorry. I'll save you some dinner for later.
Thanks, Dave. That sounds good. I heard you had a problem with a client.
Oh, really? News in the office travels fast.
Well, I heard you and the boss this morning. He was very loud.
Yes, his door was open. I think everyone heard.
So what happened?
A client didn't like my plan. She asked me to change it 6 times.
6 times? What was the problem with your plan?
The cost. She said it was too expensive.
And what did you do?
I offered her a cheaper plan, but she said it was too basic.
That is difficult. How did she take it?
Not well. My boss was angry with me this morning because of it.